I often get asked, what's the best way for me as a white, cisgendered, heterosexual man with loads of privileges, including the tall guy privileges, on how I can use those privileges to support those that don't have the same privileges as me. And as the founder of the Better Man Conference, I've thought about this. I train and I coach people, but more than anything else, the best way for me to use my privileges is to actually talk with, educate, and work with other men that look like me in such a way that I can humanize privilege, help them understand that it's an advantage so that the light bulb can go on for them, that they have choice on how to use their privileges to create psychological safety for those around them, so that those that identify from historically marginalized groups can feel safe enough to bring their whole selves to work. That, now that I think about it, is probably the best way for me to use my privileges.